Good day, my name is Lithium, and I'm your expert doctor. Thank you for stopping by on our YouTube channel today, Global Trade Tutor. Today we'll be hacking into another product. It's another solid minerals, and it will be lithium ore. Lithium ore demand has been on the increase costly EV vehicles, phones, rechargeable batteries generally. The demand for lithium ore has been on the rise. Lithium ore, a vital mineral resource, play a critical role in modern world as primary source of lithium, a key element in various applications. It's formed as pegmatite through an igneous rock formed from cooling magma or hydrothermal alteration, hot and mineral-rich fluid circulating within the rock. Weathering, that's the breakdown of lithium-containing rock by weathering process that concentrate lithium in residue clay and brine, which can be further processed into lithium. There are different types of lithium. We have the spodumene, lepidolite, petalite, lithium clay, and lithium brine. And lithium is found in different states in Nigeria, from Kano to Kaduna to Nasarawa to Ekiti to Kwara. And some states that have mica tends to have lithium, because I used to export mica, and I know we've gotten it from North and of course from Southwest, and it seems as if countries that have, states rather, that have mica tends to have, of course, lithium because it occurs together. The lithium grade, there are different grades of lithium, each varying lithium content and impurities. Higher grade of lithium, or we have a stricter impurity tolerance. So it's very important to ensure that you adhere to this grade as agreed with the buyer. Now, lithium content typically is expected to be between 1 and 8%. So some 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, and people are willing to buy. Now, this kind of product, it will be very important for you to ensure you do not have moisture, because if the moisture is too high, it will be a disaster when it becomes dry, because it will now reduce the percentage that you bought when you bought it with a lot of water. So it's expected that silica should be 30 to 60%, alumina 5 to 30%, iron ore 1 to 10%, magnesium 0.5 to 5%. But it's important that the lithium is within the range of the purity agreed with the buyer. You can identify lithium with visual inspection based on color, hardness. Lithium ore, like spodumene, tends to be softer than quartz and feldspar. Quartz and feldspar also look like lithium. While not definite indicator, lithium ore are generally not brightly colored. They can be white, gray, beige, and sometimes have a pinkish or greenish tint. Some lithium ore, like lepidolite, have a distinct cleavage pattern, meaning they tend to break along specific plane. Now, the usage of lithium is mainly in lithium-ion battery, glass ceramic, lubricant, and of course in medicine. The demand for lithium in the world is about $1.2 billion. Let me tell you something interesting about lithium demand. In 2021, $1.2 billion. In 2022, $5.4 billion. Over 400% increase in demand. Even in the volume being exported from Nigeria, we've seen a rise in lithium demand. Who are those buying lithium? The people buying lithium are South Korea, 52%, Japan, 28%. Somehow, China produced lithium oxide ore and also export the ore. So China exports 68% of ore of lithium. So that's why China is not on the list, because it will be funny that China is not on the list of this mineral that the demand is growing in such a very high manner in the world. So if you are looking for market for lithium, South Korea, Japan, India, Germany, and Belgium are important markets you can consider. Selection of packaging material. Choose appropriate packaging that can safely contain and protect lithium during transit. Before filling, inspect the packaging material to ensure they are clean, undamaged, and suitable for intended use. Carefully fill the packaging with lithium ore, ensuring that it is evenly distributed and does not exceed the weight capacity or volume limit of the packaging materials. Ensure you seal securely to prevent any spillage or leakage during transport. And of course, if they agree with the buyer, ensure that it is also well labeled. If you agree with the buyer, ensure that it is also well labeled. It can be exported in bulk, like many other minerals, and it can be exported in bags. Let's talk about documentation. Documentation. Like many other minerals also, lithium ore require commercial invoice, bill of lading for shipment, packing list, certificate of origin, and inspection certificate. Very, very important, because that helps to ascertain the quality of the product you are shipping, and that helps the buyer to be sure you are shipping the right product. And if you are shipping from Nigeria, you do your export declaration with NSP, do your pre-export documentation. More importantly, you need a mineral trading license. If you are shipping from Nigeria, you need a mineral trading license, among other documentation required for you to do the shipment. What are the common pitfalls for export of lithium? Common pitfall for export of lithium. The common pitfall include, number one, low-grade lithium. Remember, the purity of many lithium naturally occurring is 1 to 8%. So many people want the higher value. If yours is low, that would be won't not be attractive to the buyer you are trying to sell to. Low grade. So you want to increase the concentration by removing the debris and the dust on the product. Impurities. The presence of unwanted minerals like iron ore, manganese, aluminum can complicate processing and reduce the final lithium product purity. So a beneficiation process technique like flotation or gravity separation can help to minimize the impurities and show up the volume of the purity of lithium, of the lithium oxide. Gauge mineral. These are inner minerals like quartz and feldspar that don't contain lithium but add weight to it. Crushing and grinding technique can optimize and liberate the lithium-bearing mineral from the gauge mineral. That's why I talk about, again, the need to crush to sunlight. Crush to sunlight. Also help in homogeneity and purity level. The moisture content is important. High moisture content add unnecessary weight. Drying technique like thermal drying or air drying can help to reduce the moisture and make the lithium of higher purity. If this video has been of immense benefit to you, give it a thumbs up. If you have a friend that wants to explore solid minerals, tell them to listen to this. If you need more information, get the over an hour video available on Global Trade College on export hack for lithium. If you want to make my inquiry on that, drop a message for me in the comment section, or you see a number there you can use to reach us in the description box. My name is Dela, I'm an export doctor, and I'm signing out. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so we know when we upload a new video.